Alright, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to sharpen a chainsaw. You set your angle, sharpen it, basically you sharpen it, you match the line up with the sharpener, and you sharpen each tooth when it goes around. You want a round file. A circle file has to be rounded like that. And you sharpen it, the chainsaw. It's important to have a sharp chainsaw. Put the brake on when you're sharpening. Always sharpen at an angle. I'm sharpening at the line where that angle's at. You really want to get in there. But you could leave me sharpening tips down in the, for a chainsaw. Leave me some sharpening tips in the comments, because I'm going to need some too. But I'm just teaching you how to sharpen. You want that tooth at the top very pointy, because then you flip the saw around, repeat this side,